God, what is our relationship with God? Right? A lot of people ask that question. And he said it in 3 words. One is Vishwas, which is about faith, belief, trust. Second is Sambandh, relationship. You choose the relationship. Whether you want God to be your friend, your dad, your mother, your Sakha, any relationship you can choose to be with Bhagwan. And the third is Samarpan, surrender. So Vishwas, Sambandh and Samarpan. Within these 3 words is our relationship with God, right? And that to me, there are many things that I remember from the Bhagavad Katha. But this question of what is our relationship with God is, for a lot of people who understand it, it's very easy. They don't even need an answer, right? I don't need an answer. But people who don't understand, they need that answer. And it's upon us to explain that to them. How do we connect with God? And this framework, this 3-word framework, Vishwas, Sambandh and Samarpan, God is not something to be feared. You don't need to be afraid of God. You need to love God, and God will love you back 100 times. Right? And Maharajji in the Bhagavad was telling about Brijvasis in Vrindavan. They don't think about God as God, they think about God as a member of their family. Somebody who lives with them, somebody who is their daughter, somebody who is their son. That is how Vrindavan, Brijvasis think about God. So, I think the idea that Vishwas, Sambandh and Samarpan, those 3 things to me are very, very simple framework to establish and explain our relationship with God. The other thing I would say, 4th of September is Janmashtami. It will be a day-long festival in the mandir, 11 a.m. to midnight. So we will do Aarti throughout the day, 3 or 4 times. There will be Chappan Bhog, so if you want to contribute to the Chappan Bhog, if you want to pick up an item and offer to Bal Gopal, let us know. We will have Bal Gopal Jhulan here, we will have Abhishek, amazing Abhishek that we do every year. There will be some amazing bhajan and kirtan throughout the day. So anytime you can come early if possible, because later it becomes very, very crowded. So if you come early, you will get better darshan, you will get more time. Later in the evening, it gets very, very busy. So earlier is better, or very late, even like 10 a.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. The rush hour will be between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. That will be the rush hour. The busiest time in the mandir will be that time. But before that or after that will be a little bit easier, just so that everybody knows. So that's on 4th of September. We will be celebrating Janmashtami over here. That's a Friday. Yes, it's a Friday. 6th of September, we are doing it in Grove Park. So there are 2-day celebration of Janmashtami. 4th September in the mandir, the actual Janmashtami day, and 6th of September in Grove Park. Balaram Jayanti is on this Friday. So those of you who would like to celebrate and join the celebration, please come. Balaram Jayanti is on 28th of August, which is this coming Friday. There will be a Bhajan Satsang that happens every fortnight Friday anyway. Together with that, there will be Balaram Jayanti celebration as well. So you can join in for that on this coming Friday. And there are, of course, in this mandir, there are daily satsang on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So there are satsang every day. You can join whichever days you like. So that's it, I guess. We're going to the aarti now. Who's singing the aarti? Nimish? शिवजी की आज्ञा।
Standing near the speaker. Shout everybody. Shout everybody. Shout.
जय जय करो। हेलो जय जय करो, जय जय करो। जीवन का संपत्ति घरे आवे, बंसी वाला साढ़े घरे आवे, कष्ट बीते तने का। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। शरण गहूँ मैं किसकी, स्वामी शरण गहूँ मैं किसकी, तुम बिन और न दूजा, प्रभु बिन और न कोई, आस करूँ मैं जिसकी। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। रण परमात्मा तुम अंतर्यामी, स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी, पार वर्व पर भी पालन करता, स्वामी तुम रक्षा करता, कृपा करो बरतार। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। अगोचर सबके प्राणपति, स्वामी सबके प्राणपति, इस विध मिलू दया में, कैसे आऊं शरण में, तुमको मैं कुमति। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। ठाकुर तुम मेरे, स्वामी तुम मेरे, अपनी शरण लगाओ, द्वार पड़ा मैं तेरे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे। विकार मिटाओ, पाप हरो देवा, स्वामी